The civil authorities have issued an immediate evacuation for Lane OR, beginning at 10:40 p.m. Sunday, August 13th and ending at 6:40 a.m. Monday, August 14th. This is an emergency notice from the Lane County Sheriff's Office. The following areas are being issued a Level 3, Go Now, evacuation notice due to wildfire. Terry Road, North Bank Road, all areas of Highway 126 between Blue River Reservoir Road and Drury LN, Mona Campground, Lookout Campground, H.J. Andrews Headquarters. Level 3 means leave immediately. Do not take time to gather things. Go now. More information at www.lanacounty.org/lookoutfire.
Alone, so nobody will